The ingeniously simple speed square is one of the most practical and useful hand tools any carpenter or do-it-yourselfer could own. Like any square, it's great for making square cross cuts or at 45-degree lines here, but it's also a protractor. You see in this corner it has a pivot point. You hold it against the edge of the board and you rotate it and you can mark any angle. So let's say we want to mark a 30-degree angle. It's also a scribing tool. There are notches, 1/4-inch spaced notches. So let's say you want to make a line parallel to the edge, let's say 1 inch from the edge of the board. Just put your pencil in that notch and slide it along, and there you go, exactly 1 inch. And this feature I really like, this diamond cutout, that's exactly 3.5 inches to the edge of the square. So if you put your pencil in there and slide it along, that line is exactly the width of a 2x4. So if you're setting up a wall, you'd put it right on that line. And probably the most useful and practical application of this tool is as a really accurate saw guide. So you just take your square, hold it against the edge of the board, and guide the saw shoe right against the square.